natural health for beginners.
How to make body butter with lanolin and shea butter. Here's a simple and effective body butter recipe using lanolin and shea butter, with exact quantities for a rich, moisturizing, and nourishing product. Lanolin and shea butter body butter recipe. Ingredients: shea butter, 100 g, 3.5 ounces. Lanolin, anhydrous, 20 g, 0.7 ounces. Coconut oil, refined or unrefined, 50 g, 1.75 ounces. Sweet almond oil, 30 g, 1 ounce. Arrowroot powder or cornstarch, optional, for non-greasy feel, 5 g, 0.17 ounces. Vitamin E oil, 5 g, about 1 teaspoon or 0.17 ounces. Essential oil, optional, e.g., lavender, chamomile, or rose, 10 to 15 drops. Instructions: melt the butters and oils. In a double boiler, or a heat-safe bowl over simmering water, combine shea butter, 100 g. Lanolin, 20 g. Coconut oil, 50 g. Sweet almond oil, 30 g. Stir gently until completely melted and combined. Cool slightly. Remove from heat and let the mixture cool for about 10 minutes. Add final ingredients. Stir in arrowroot powder, 5 g. Vitamin E oil, 5 g. Essential oil, 10 to 15 drops, optional. Whip it, optional but recommended. Allow the mixture to cool and start to solidify. You can place it in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes until it's semi-firm. Use a hand mixer or stand mixer to whip until light and fluffy, about 5 to 10 minutes. Store. Transfer to a clean, airtight container. Use a glass jar or tin. Store at room temperature for up to 6 months. Benefits: lanolin, deeply moisturizing and locks in hydration. Shea butter, rich in vitamins A and E, soothes and nourishes skin. Coconut and almond oils, add softness and glide to the butter. Arrowroot, reduces greasy feel, making it smoother on the skin. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.